Hello my dear parents, you are listening Priya on my channel Freestyle Parenting India. आज मैं हमारे बच्चों के लिए लाई हूँ 10 points on Great Leader of India Sarojini Naidu. So without any wasting time, let's get started. Sarojini Naidu was the first Indian woman to become the President of Indian National Congress. Sarojini Naidu was born on 13th February 1879 in Hyderabad, India. Her birth anniversary is celebrated annually to honor her contributions to India's independence movement. She was actively involved in the Indian independence movement, working alongside leaders such as Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru. She was an amazing political leader, poet, and freedom fighter of India. Naidu was also known as the Nightingale of India due to her contributions to Indian literature. Sarojini Naidu was known for her speeches and poems advocating for women's rights, education, and social reform. National Women's Day is celebrated on 13th February in honor of Naidu's birthday to promote her legacy as a political leader, poet, and advocate for women's rights. From Naidu's life, children can learn the importance of being a good leader and how to inspire and motivate others. Sarojini Naidu was highly educated. Children can learn the value of education and how it can empower them to make positive changes in the world. So I think it is enough for our small children. हम अपने इंडियन लीडर्स के जीवन से बहुत सारे लाइफ लेसन अपने बच्चों को सिखा सकते हैं. So in 10 lines के ज़रिए हम बच्चों को यही सिखाने की कोशिश करेंगे. That's it from my end. If you feel video is informative, please share with your friends and family. And if you want to see such more videos, do subscribe my channel.